Japanese air fryer cheesecake. Look at that incredible bounce. If you've been searching for the softest, fluffiest Japanese cheesecake that you can make right inside your air fryer, you found the perfect recipe. Stay with me until the end because every small step makes a big difference and the final texture is absolutely worth it. Let's begin by preparing a gentle double boiler. Fill a saucepan with a little water and let it come to a light simmer. Place a heat-proof glass bowl over the pan, making sure the bottom doesn't touch the water. This gentle heat melts everything smoothly without burning the ingredients. Into the bowl, add 150 grams of softened cream cheese, 30 grams of unsalted butter and 50 milliliters of milk. Slowly stir everything together with the spatula, pressing out any small lumps until the mixture becomes silky, smooth, glossy and perfectly creamy. Once everything has melted together beautifully, remove the bowl from the heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Cooling it for a minute or two helps prevent the eggs from cooking when we add them. Now crack 2 fresh eggs and carefully separate the yolks from the whites. Place the egg whites into a completely clean and dry bowl because even a tiny bit of oil or water can stop them from whipping properly. Keep the egg yolks ready in another bowl. Now sift 20 grams of cornstarch or refined flour if that's what you have directly into the warm cream cheese mixture. Sifting keeps the batter smooth and prevents unwanted lumps. Add both egg yolks into the bowl and whisk everything together until the batter turns smooth, creamy and pale yellow. At this stage, you should have a light mixture without any visible flour or cream cheese lumps. Now it's time to prepare the meringue. Add half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice to the egg whites. This helps stabilize them and creates a stronger foam. Using an electric hand mixer, beat on medium speed until soft peaks begin to form. Gradually add 40 grams of powdered sugar while continuing to beat. Keep mixing until you reach soft, glossy peaks. The meringue should hold its shape but still gently bend over when you lift the beaters. Add the whipped meringue into the cream cheese batter in 2 or 3 batches. Fold gently using a cut and fold motion with your spatula. Avoid stirring too hard because we want to keep all the air inside for that signature fluffy texture. Line a small springform cake pan with parchment paper and pour the finished batter into the center. Give the pan a gentle tap on the counter to remove any large air bubbles without losing the light texture. Wrap the outside of the cake pan tightly with aluminum foil. Place it into a shallow tray filled with hot water to create a water bath. This extra step keeps the cheesecake moist, helps it bake evenly and prevents cracks on the surface. Carefully place the entire water bath inside your air fryer basket. Close the drawer gently so the batter stays level. Set the temperature to 150 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. As it bakes, you'll notice the cake slowly rise and develop a beautiful golden top. Once it's done, let it rest for a few minutes before removing it from the pan. This helps the cheesecake settle without collapsing. Now, peel away the parchment paper and look at that unbelievably soft texture. Every slice is light, airy and melts in your